Hello, how are you? I am Dr. José Carlos Martínez Vázquez, and this time I want to invite you to study Standard 68, NOM 68, issued by the Secretariat of Communications and Transportation in 2014. Like any other regulation applicable in our country, NOM 68 includes objectives, reference, definitions, validity, bibliography, etc. In other words, it has been properly structured and composed since 2014. NOM 68 plays an essential role in the freight transport sector, ensuring safe road circulation for all users. It contains important references, such as the Standard 12, which established the maximum weight and dimensions for transport vehicles on Mexican roads. Another significant reference is Standard 35, which specifies safety requirements and testing methods for trailers and semi-trailers operating on Mexican highways. Additionally, NOM 68 is closely related to Standard 40, which addresses oversized and indivisible loads that travel on Mexican roads. Also, NOM 68 was issued in 2014. Its relevance goes beyond its publication date, as it directly impacts road safety in Mexico. To facilitate its study and analysis, we have classified it into 10 models out of the 80 that make up the full standard. For example, one model focuses on tires and rings. NOM 68 establishes strict quality requirements for vehicle components to ensure road safety. These requirements define the essential characteristics of each component, such as the minimum standards tire must meet for technical verification and approval by the relevant authorities. A key point is the track depth of the tire. The regulation specifies the minimum depth required for safe operation, independent of an operator's or mechanic's personal opinion. The standard clearly defines when a mechanical component is critically worn and no longer safe for use. In this study, we will review each model in detail. For example, in the case of tires, we will define their function, explain the regulations, and outline the relevant models. Similarly, for other vehicle components, we will determine their optimal conditions, minimum requirements, and critical conditions where they should no longer be used, as they pose a high risk to road safety. We will also cover other essential models, such as those related to semi-trailers, which, like all other components, must comply with quality standards to ensure the safety of Mexican highways. The requirements for a semi-trailer system are specifically outlined in NOM 68, and each must be carefully studied and evaluated to uphold road safety regulations. I invite you to continue studying and analyzing NOM 68. This introduction is just the beginning. There are 80 models in total. It is a long, highly interesting, and essential standard for anyone involved in the transportation industry, whether you are a driver, mechanic, fleet owner, or director of a freight transport company. I sincerely hope this information helps improve the competitiveness of your transport business. See you soon.